In a small village nestled in rural India, a remarkable story of women's empowerment recently unfolded. A group of resolute women came together to address pressing issues of child health and welfare. These women, often overlooked in traditional societal roles, recognized the need for change. They began by educating themselves on maternal and child health, attending workshops provided by local health organizations. Empowered with knowledge, they started awareness campaigns within their community, emphasizing the importance of prenatal care and proper nutrition for expectant mothers. A woman named Ananya emerged as a leader in this movement. Having personally experienced the challenges of childbirth in the village, she was inspired to bring about some changes. Ananya and her fellow activists successfully advocated for the establishment of a community health center where pregnant women could receive regular checkups and have access to vital resources. As a result, the village saw a significant decrease in infant mortality rates and overall improvements in maternal health. The dedication of Ananya and her team to women's empowerment not only transformed the lives of countless mothers and infants, but also inspired neighboring communities to replicate their success. This real-life story serves as a beacon of hope, showcasing the transformative power of women when given the opportunity to lead and advocate for change.